Welcome. In front of me is a Cubot Note 50, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now you're looking for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which should be visible on one of the pages. I'm gonna turn off hotspot as I don't have much battery left. But anyway, for me, the Do Not Disturb mode is visible on the first page. You can see it right over here. Once you see it, you can simply hold it the first time around. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function when enabled. So go over the options right here, customize them. I'm gonna only talk about one option or two. So one would be the schedule, and here you can select create a new schedule, and this will allow you to set it up so the Do Not Disturb mode turns on and off automatically at the provided day of the week and start and end time, which just kind of takes away the hassle of you needing to turn it on, off, and all that stuff. Next thing is the duration for quick settings. By default, it is set to the first option until you turn off, meaning that whenever you manually enable your mode, Do Not Disturb mode, it will just keep on running indefinitely. So what I recommend doing is selecting it to the second option, and just consider how long you might need the Do Not Disturb mode on average, and then add like an additional hour. So I think I would need it for like maybe 3 hours. I'm gonna make it 4 and confirm that. So what will now happen is whenever I tap on the toggle itself, and here it will turn off or turn on for exactly the set amount of hours, which is 4 for me. And after that time, it automatically will turn off. So I don't need to now remember about it. I can actually forget about it, and it will still disable itself after a set amount of time. And if I do remember about it once I'm done needing it, I can also tap on it myself to turn it off before the timer runs out. So it just gives me kind of safe mind that it's not going to be running for like a week on end before I realize that it's actually enabled. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.